Hello everyone, this is Kathy Lean with your top 10 crypto outlook for the week ahead. First and foremost, we've had a nice little recovery in the crypto market, and we put on a Bitcoin trade about a week ago. First target has been hit. Second target is pretty far out, up over here in this region at 47,810. But it's looking okay, and our trade is still in play, and there's a possibility it could continue to move higher. Overall, though, you can see that Bitcoin, there's a little bit of a potential inverse head and shoulders forming. Regardless, there definitely is a sign of a bottom here in BTC. Now, resistance is up at the 48,000 mark. If we go to the shorter term chart, we have short term resistance at 44,000, but it does look like it wants to continue higher. Ethereum is not looking as strong as Bitcoin, but still in a bit of a positive mode. We do see that Ethereum had dropped below the 20 SMA, is trying to rise above it. The levels to watch are going to be the high from Thursday, 32.85, and just under 3,000. If it breaks either one of these ranges, and I think it's going to be to the upside, we're going to see a stronger move in Ethereum. Solana, we have a short trade in Solana. It's bounced a bit off the 20 SMA, which I don't love, but we do have a short trade in Solana, and resistance up at 20. Our stop is at 114, which is going to be right at this candle's high, just under it. And so right now it's still looking like it's okay. It's bounced a little bit, but today's bounce is relatively modest, and there is some significant resistance at 112. So we will keep an eye on that one. We also have Binance. There's no trade in Binance right now, but Binance just hanging tight, range trading below the 50, 100, 200 SMAs, not doing much. It does look like it certainly is weaker than the others. It does look like it wants to continue to move lower. Ripple looks weak. Ripple looks like it's rolling over. It looks like it wants to extend over down to 75 cents. And I think it may, even if it bounces towards 85 cents, I think it's more of a sell than a buy in Ripple. Then we have Luna. We have a trade in Luna, and we are short Luna. Our stop is up at 56, so it is getting closer to there, which is not great, but we're hanging tight underneath the 20 SMA. Lower highs, lower lows is bearish for Luna, and I think for now we're still safe on this and watching it closely. Cardano is just kind of not doing much. It's been range trading after breaking higher, and so it's the resistance is going to be up at the Feb highs. Support is at 110, and we're just going to have to wait and see. And if we look at the shorter term charts, it does look like it's still in the range trading mode, not much direction. Same thing with the 1 hour chart. Maybe just stay out of it for the time being. Polkadot is kind of moving lower. We are short Polkadot. Target is at 1948. So it's looking okay for us in Polkadot. We went short at 2051, which is just underneath these levels, and we'll keep an eye on it. But right now Polkadot still looks bearish on the daily charts. 4 hour charts, not much going on there as well. Doge is just kind of range trading. Looks like it wants to turn upwards a bit, maybe up to 16 cents. I think it could get there. So if you want a short-term play in that point, you could. Keep an eye out on that. But, not much going on in Doge either. Last but certainly not least, Litecoin. Litecoin is actually looking kind of bullish for me. Holding above the 50 SMA at the highs. Looks like it potentially wants to move up to the high that we had on Thursday at 143.90. But in general, Litecoin looks okay. A little more of a bullish bias to the upside on the daily chart. 4 hour chart, not so much. We're watching this closely. But that's the outlook for the top 10 coins for the week ahead. And I look forward to talking to you again. If you want trades every day, that's what we deliver on bkcryptocrusher.com.